Take a look at this YouTube channel that's been promoting Amazon product videos as an affiliate. They are getting millions of views. In fact, one of their videos alone has an unbelievable 38 million views. In that particular video, they promoted a knee pillow priced at $30 on Amazon. Now, Amazon's standard commission for home-related products is around 3%, which means they're earning 90 cents for every knee pillow sold. I know, 90 cents doesn't sound like much, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. If just 1% of those 38 million viewers decided to buy the knee pillow, that's 380,000 sales. And guess what? That means this creator earned around $342,000 in commissions from a single video. That's crazy, right? But wait, it doesn't stop there. This creator is super smart. He repurposes his content on TikTok and gets millions of views there too, doubling his earnings with minimal extra effort. Imagine how much money he's made across all his videos. Now I bet you're wondering how you can do the same. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy using AI tools to make the process even easier. If it worked for them, why can't it work for you? So smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Alright guys, the very first thing you need to do is find the perfect product to promote. I know this part might sound a little boring, but trust me, once you find the right product, the rest of the process is easy. So, what makes a product worth promoting? It's gotta be something that's trending, something people are already searching for, and most importantly, something that solves a problem or adds value in some way. Now, let me show you one of my favorite methods to find these kinds of products. Open up your web browser and type Amazon movers and shakers into Google. Click on the first link that pops up. This page is pure gold. It gives you a real-time overview of products that have had a big surge in sales rank over the last 24 hours. Once you're on the page, you'll notice categories on the left-hand side. For this demo, let's choose the home and kitchen category. Now, as you scroll, you'll see a list of top-performing products. Take a look at this coffee maker. It's really taking off. It has over 104,000 reviews and sold more than 30,000 units just last month. This is a clear sign that it has a huge demand right now. Here's a pro tip. Pay close attention to the images and videos in the reviews. Make sure the product has plenty of high-quality photos and at least one video review, because we're gonna need it later. For now, all we need to do is copy the product URL. Alright, so now that we've got the perfect product and the URL, I'm going to show you how to easily create a viral video about this product using AI. After some research, I found an amazing tool called TopView AI. This AI is a game changer. All you need to do is upload your URL, and the AI will generate a complete video with a perfect script, voiceover, and even realistic AI avatars. And I'm not just talking about basic videos. I'm talking about videos that can actually go viral, attract thousands of views, and obviously kill the sale records. Just stick with me and I'll prove it by the end of the video. First, I've included the TopView AI tool link in the description below. Just click on it and it'll take you directly to this page. Before we move on, let me show you something really cool. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see AI-generated avatars that look just like real humans. As an affiliate marketer, this is a powerful feature. Showing a face can build a personal brand and trust when you promote your products. With these realistic avatars, people are more likely to buy without hesitation. Now scroll back up and click sign in. Then, sign up using your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a page like this. Click Create Video, and it will open the dashboard. As you can see, the tool supports creating videos for a variety of platforms, including Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, and others. Simply provide the product URL from any of these sites, and the AI will take care of the rest. So I'll simply paste here our coffee maker URL I copied earlier. After that, click Analyze Link. The AI will then start analyzing the URL. After that, a pop-up window will appear showing videos and images that the AI has automatically selected based on the product URL. As you can see, there are a bunch of images and videos. That's why I told you earlier to find a product with as many high videos and images as possible. You can also choose which videos and photos you want to include in your video. If there's any media you don't want, you can simply uncheck it, but I recommend keeping them all selected for the best result. Once you're satisfied, click Continue. If you'd like to add different product images or videos, you can easily upload them from here to be included in the video. Below you'll find the product name. Obviously this is the name of the product. And below that, we have the product details, where the AI extracts all the key product information to be covered in the video. Alright, now we're getting to the most important part. Here, you can select the video aspect ratio that best suits your needs. For this video, let's go with the vertical format, which is 9:16. Next up, you'll want to choose a language. The tool supports over 20 languages, which is fantastic for targeting a global audience. Of course, I'll stick with English. Now let's talk about the voiceovers. You have access to over 100 different high-quality, realistic voices. This means you can add a professional touch to your videos without needing any recording equipment. You can even filter the voices by gender, age, style, and language. Let's sample a couple of voices. voices. Here's a young female voice.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered.
And here's a male voice.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video
For this video, I'm going with this American female voice. Once you've made your choice, just click Confirm. Moving on to avatars, you've got access to over 100 AI digital humans, each with different ethnicities, ages, and styles. These avatars look incredibly realistic and can really bring your video to life. If you prefer a video without an avatar, you can easily opt out by selecting the empty bar. But for this video, let's go with this girl avatar. There are 11 scenes inside to choose from, so you can generate different styles using the same AI for various videos. I'm going to pick this one. Once everything's done, let's generate the video. Click on Generate. The AI gets ideas from over 5 million trending TikTok and YouTube videos and combines them with GPT-4 to create the perfect script for you. Okay, now as you can see, the tool has made 3 different script styles. Let's take a look at them and choose the best one. They are all pretty good, I guess. As you can see, this one starts with a hook, and this one starts with a mistake and then moves to the correct action, and this one begins with the pain point, then moves to the problem, and wraps up with the solution. If you want, you can even ask it to create more options. Personally, I'm going with this one. As you can see, it starts with a hoking opening, which is a question, then sets the expectation, and then gives the solution. I think it's the best option we can use in this case. As a tip for you guys, the first 3 seconds of your video are absolutely important, because that's when your audience decides whether to keep watching or scroll away. No matter what platform you're creating content on, grabbing attention right away is the key to success. Alright, if there's anything you want to add or remove, just click on the sentence and change it as you wish. If you want to give your video a more professional touch, click on Edit to customize it however you like. For example, if you click on the music icon, you'll find a variety of royalty-free background tracks. Choose the one that fits your video best, and you can even adjust the volume by setting the sound level to your preference. Now let's head back to the editing dashboard by clicking the A icon. Here you can customize the subtitles, adjust the style, position, and height to match your video's vibe. Also, if you want to replace a clip you don't like, just click on this icon. For instance, I'll swap out this picture with a better video from the available options. Once you've made your choice, click Confirm. You can also change the background fill mode. Just select Cover, which ensures the video fits perfectly on the screen. It will give it a more polished look. You can also go to the avatar and change its position however you like. And finally, you can add transitions between the scenes by clicking on the transition icon. When you're satisfied with all the edits, click Export, and here's the final video.
What if you always had barista coffee at home? I love waking up to quick, amazing coffee, but refilling the pot each time is annoying. What if that problem was gone? With a 48-ounce tank, my mornings are smooth. Just pop a pod, push a button, and voila. Just scale it now and then, and you're golden. Grab yours today and join the easy coffee life.
The video turned out amazing, right? Did you notice how naturally the avatar moves and explains everything, and how the scenes switch every 3 to 4 seconds, which is a really cool thing? If you're impressed by this AI, there's a free version available, but you can only export 2 videos with a watermark. If you really want to unlock its full potential, there's a monthly fee. So I actually bought the one that is $45 a month. That's why I'd recommend upgrading at least to the starter plan for more features and flexibility. It's totally worth it.